2018-19 Dominion Basketball 6-box. Looks like an 8, but 6-box case break. Number 2, full case. Here is your lineup. All right, let's do it, guys. Good luck. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Look at that. On the back there, we got a 101. All right, so we got Howard to 25 going out to the Wizards. And nice, right off the back to 199. DONCIC. Metal card. Very nice. We got Graham out of 10 going out to the Hornets. And nice, Blake Griffin to 49 going out to the Pistons. Very nice. Jersey auto. We got DiVincenzo to 199 going out to the Bucks. Hutchinson to 49 going out to the Bulls. And our 1/1. Very nice. 3-color patch. And Graham going out to the Hornets. 1/1. We got Thompson to 25. Bridges to 49. Very nice. Going on to the Suns. Diallo to 49. Nice. Going on to the Thunder. We got Jeremy Lin to 49 going out to the Hawks. We got Wendell Carter Jr. Nice one to 49 going out to the Bulls. We got Sabonis. Nice on card to 49. Going out to the Trailblazers. And we got a DONCIC jersey card to 75. Very nice. We got Tatum to 75. We got Smith to 199 going out to the 76ers. Nice rookie medal. Holiday to 49 going out to the Pacers. And of course, guys, if you don't get a card, you will get a hobby pack of cards sent to you. Otherwise, you can request a shipping refund. We got Brown going to the Pacers. Or for the Pistons, sorry. To 199. And nice to 49, Larry Bird. Going out to the Celtics. Nice hit. That is game-worn material as well. Very nice. And we got Matthews to 75 going out to the Mavericks. We got Tatum to 25 going to the Celtics. Melton going out to the Suns. There's a Suns card. That's to you at 199. We got Haywood, 1 out of 10, going out to the Lakers. And we got Hutchinson, rookie jersey autographs going out to the Bulls. And look at this. Dual auto to 25. We got Ayton and Bridges. Very nice. (14/25). Nice hit. And DiVincenzo, Walker, Herter, and Okagoyi. It's going to be a 4-way randomizer. You got Aldridge, 75, going on to the Spurs. You got Graham going out to the Hornets to 199, metal piece. Brown Jr., nice on-card auto going out to the Wizards. And look at this, Donovan Mitchell to 49. Nice hit going out to the Jazz. Nice on-card auto as well. And here you go. Sexton out of 49 going out to the Cavaliers. There you go. Some ruby red there. And we got another 4-way randomizer. Bucks, 76ers, Wizards, and Nuggets. All right, last pack, guys. Right as he said it, Saja. We got Turner to 75 going out to the Pacers. Trent Jr. going out to the Trailblazers to 199. Yes, sir, it is on card. And yeah, that'll that's going to be player worn. Then we got for the Suns to 49, Scott. And we got a Smith, nice 199. Ho ho ho. Our next hit going out to the Mavericks. Should be autographed. Nice to 199. DONCIC. I did see on the back there is a, yeah, it looks like a chip or a ding. Notice with these cards they don't come out the greatest. Still a very nice card. And we got Evans going out to the Warriors to 99. Alright, so that does it, guys. We got a couple randomizers. So let's go ahead and get these done. And we'll do a quick hit recap as well. Yeah, like I said before, if you didn't get a card at all, we will send you a hobby pack. Otherwise, you can request a shipping refund. But do that in the next hour or so, because we're going to get these packaged up and sent out. So, tonight. Alright, 8 times. That'll be for each one. First one, Nuggets. And 8s. Maybe 76ers on top, 8 on the bottom. '76ers. We do not do majority card or whatever that is, in case you were wondering. Alright, 8 times, guys. Good luck. Alright, and Hawks on top, 8 on the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and do a quick hit recap. I think the next basketball product is Optic to release, and we'll have some more cases of that than we did of Dominion. So check that out when that releases, and we'll have it up on our eBay channel. We got Evans going out to the Warriors. Nice DONCIC going out to the Mavericks. Smith for the 76ers. Scott going out to the Suns. Sexton for the Cavs. Mitchell for the Jazz. Brown Jr. going out to the Wizards. Then we had a nice Ayton and Bridges for the Suns out of 25. Hutchinson for the Bulls. For the Lakers out of 10. Main exhibit Legends. We got Haywood. Matthews for the Mavericks. Very nice Larry Bird. This is a good case for the Celtics. Brown going out to the Pistons. Holiday for the Pacers. DONCIC for the Mavericks. Sabonis for the Trailblazers. Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls. Lynn for the Hawks. Diallo going out to the Thunder. We had a 1/1 Graham going out to the Hornets. Hutchinson for the Bulls. DiVincenzo going out to the Bucks. Griffin, nice one for the Pistons. And Graham for the Hornets out of 10. So that does it, guys. Our metal cards, I guess we can throw those through here quick. We had a DONCIC medal out of 199. Trent Jr., the Trailblazers out of 199. Graham out of 199. Melton out of 199. Smith out of 199. And Bridges out of 49. Alright, guys. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.